What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. Nothing. So I'm back, guys. So right now we're gonna make a video. So I need this to let you guys need to wait one. So I'm gonna come back in a minute. So goodbye. And guys, I'm back. So I can show you how many subscribers I have. This is how many subscribers I have. 300 and yeah. So wait. Okay.
Hoje eu vou te pegar sem te deixar de perna bamba. Hoje eu vou te pegar, vou te deixar de perna bamba. Vai xerequinha, toma, 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 toma.
Okay. Let me. This is me right here. What's up? Wait. Okay, guys. So you just need to subscribe, right? And we're gonna make a lot of fun, right? Yeah. So now it is time to talk. So you guys know I started YouTube 2 months ago, like or 4 months ago. No, actually more. Yeah. I think 8 months ago. Let me. Yeah, 8 months ago. So that I want to talk about. I have 300 subscribers. So right now it took 8 months to get 300 subscribers. It's actually many. So I need 500 subscribers and it is done. Okay. So thank you for seeing this. I hope you guys will enjoy. So see you later in the next video.